Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda if this is your first time here, and today I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day look. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Today I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. If you don't have the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, you could also use the e.l.f. Pore Putty Primer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I like to use 2 pumps, just however much coverage you want, just depends. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. Once we're all done with our foundation, we can go ahead and move on to concealer. So we're just going to highlight today. And we're going to go underneath the eye. I also like to use this powder. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the color Deep. I'm just going to take this loose setting powder. I'm going to dust it around the perimeter of my face here. I'm going to be using my F40 with my favorite bronzer, which is the Becca Eye Panama Sun. And I'm just going to swirl it around. I'm going to be going around the outer edge of my forehead and my temples as well, just to kind of bring some color back to me, to kind of make me look like I'm a little sun-kissed, you know? Now it's time for blush, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blissful. And I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going to be using this baby right here. We're just going to brush our eyebrows up and down. So we're going to take this lighter color right here. I'm going to be using this darker color at the tail end of my eyebrow. This is a really nice pencil. It comes with the pencil side and a spoolie side. So we're just going to twist it up a little bit. And we're going to be filling in the front of our eyebrows and all the way down. We're going to be using this highbrow at the arch of our eyebrows to kind of highlight them. We're going to be taking this E40 blending brush. We're going to be dipping into this color, burnt orange. I'm going to be going into this dusty rose. I'm going to be taking this cream colored brush and this Kat Von D. Put that right on the lid and look up. Ooh, girl. We're going to be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. We're going to just take the mascara and wiggle it at the base. So we're going to start with the left one. Just kind of barely pull on them. And you're going to just pinch it right in the middle, and then we're going to apply some lash glue. The Huda Beauty eyelash glue. Tap a little bit onto the cap and pick it up all over. We're just going to be starting right here and then slowly bring it up. Looks nice and glowing and healthy. We're going to be switching over to La Peach, which is LeBron's baby sister. And we're going to bring it up just a little. Kind of blend the front of that highlight in, and then up here so it doesn't look too crazy. Just gonna kind of go like that. And our Cupid's bow, you cannot forget the Cupid's bow. You want to do your Cupid's bow. Taking this Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the color Chihuahua, and I'm just going to apply that on top of the lip liner. So this is the final look. Very pink, very soft, very glam at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of video you want to see next.